fun way for you to use your Happy Way products that don't involve putting them in a cooking recipe. So I'm going to be making an invigorating body scrub using our Happy Way products. So I've got cacao and acai because they're rich in superfoods and antioxidants. I've got some ground coffee here. I've got some raw sugar, and I'm going to be using a little bit of coconut oil. Now this is the already made liquid coconut oil, which I recommend using for this recipe. Now what you need to do is chuck all of these ingredients into a bowl and just mix them well until they're combined. Now I like to use this one once a week. It's really good for taking off tan. So if you've applied tan to your body, this is really nice to do to take it off. It's also nice and anti-inflammatory because of the ingredients that are in there. It invigorates your skin and it keeps your skin looking and feeling really, really soft. So how to use it, I'm not going to show you how to use this one, but basically I like to just rinse off my body, and then I'll grab a handful of the scrub and then I'll just pop it all over my body and rub it in circular motions to really stimulate the circulation in my body, and then I will leave it on. So I'll kind of try and avoid getting it wet for a few minutes, just so my body can really soak up and absorb all the great nutrients that are in this recipe. And then once I've let it soak on my body for a little bit, I will just rinse it off with warm water, not too hot. And yeah, once I've gotten out the shower, I will just apply my moisturizer to my whole body. So I hope you like this one, and it gives you something to do to keep your skin looking and feeling fresh.